Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious recipe, crab ragoon, that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious recipe of crab ragoon, these are the ingredients: salt, black pepper, garlic powder, corn, of course, the imitation crab, crab, wontons, cream cheese, and some scallions. This is everything we need, so let's get started. Here I want to start with 1 bar of cream cheese that is at room temperature. I am going to add all the spices here. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of each spice: black pepper, garlic powder, and salt. I am going to incorporate it really good. That's why you need to get your cream cheese out of the refrigerator at least 1 to 2 hours so that it's nice and soft. I'm adding 1 cup of corn. I'm going to incorporate it really good. These wontons come out delicious, and I'm sure you're going to continue making them at home. Once you make them, you are going to love them. If you have little ones at home, bring them in the kitchen, have them help you so that they could enjoy these amazing wontons. I diced my onion very small. I'm going to incorporate it into the rest of the ingredients. And here I have the crab meat. You could pull it apart, or you could use 2 forks to help you pull it apart. But still, after you pull it apart, you're going to dice it really good with your knife. You want to make sure that the pieces are very small so that they really incorporate with the rest of the ingredients. Look at this. I have 1 pound of crab meat here. This is enough for 1 whole package of wontons. Of course, be generous with your filling. Look at this. I'm going to incorporate it really good into the rest of the ingredients. And of course, this is going to be delicious. I can't wait to enjoy them. I'll show you how I have everything in here. I have the onion. I have all the mixture of the cream cheese and corn. And of course, the crab meat. Now I'm just going to take my time, incorporate it really good, making sure that the crab meat really is incorporated with the cream cheese. This part is very important. You want to make sure that when you make your wontons, you get a little bit of all these amazing flavors. My mouth is already watering. Look at this. Remember, the salt is to taste. Here, I'm going to start with my wontons. I have a wet paper towel or damped wet paper towel. I have some cornstarch, some water. This is going to be the glue so that the wontons do not open while I am frying them. Once you mix it really good and it looks like milk, then you are ready to start assembling your wontons. Here, I'm going to add a little bit of the filling in the center. I'm going to wet the edges, and it's very easy to make. Look at this. Just be careful that the filling doesn't come out and that the edges are nice and tight. Remember, this is the glue, so it doesn't open at all. You could leave the little point up, but I like bending it down. I am going to show you how easy it is to make these stuffed wontons at home. Of course, you could add any type of filling. Look how easy this is. I'll show you from close up. Those little edges need to be nice and tight. Make sure that you get the air out of your wontons. Add a little bit just like that, making sure that you don't cut them open. And then slowly pinch the edge and then the sides. And here it is, done. You are ready to go. Here I have my wontons, and on the stove I have a pan with vegetable oil getting nice and hot so I could start frying these amazing little wontons. Okay, the oil is nice and hot. I am going to start adding them in here. I'm going to try and add 5 to 6 at a time. Just move the oil like that. And when they're getting nice and golden brown, you are ready to remove. I am putting them on a rack to get the excessive oil out. Remember, if you pinch the sides really good, the oil is not going to go inside your wonton. It's only going to cover the outside. So this is a delicious recipe. Just make sure that you add it to a rack so the excessive oil comes out. Remember, add 5 or 6 at a time. And do not leave the stove because they could burn easily. Look how beautiful they look. Really crispy. And of course, the excessive oil fell through the rack to the bottom. Now I am ready to enjoy one nice and crispy and of course warm. I'm adding the chili oil, sweet chili oil. That is a great combination to enjoy your stuffed wontons. Let me show you how crispy they are. This is the sweet chili oil I am using. Of course, you could use any brand. Look how delicious and cute this looks. Now I am ready to enjoy. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Amazing. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing recipe made at home with lots of love. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out, especially with this sauce. Excuse me. The filling is delicious. There is no need to go buy some when you can make them at home and enjoy them with Cooking with Gloria. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing stuffed wontons. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.